Hello dear viewers, my name is Nick. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix unusual activity detected in Elevenlabs in 2026. So this problem can be solved really easy. First of all, just close this message and then click on the three dots at the top right. Then go to settings and click on privacy and security. And firstly, I advise you to delete all your cookies. So click on delete browsing data and delete cookies and other site data. Just delete it. And also I advise you to delete third-party cookies. Click here, and if you will find Elevenlabs right here, just delete it as me. And the main thing you have to do is just log out from your account, because I sure that you create this account by using temporary email address. So unfortunately now you can't use temporary mail address. So to fix it, just sign in with your real Google account. Click on this button, select your Google account. Okay, and now let's try to generate something. Just type here hello and click on the generate speech button.
Hello.
And here it is. So the problem is solved. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the How to PC channel. Bye bye.